In this video, I'm going to show you how to add keyframes on CapCut PC and basically how to use them. So sometimes it could be really helpful. The keyframes are made to create some changes in our video, in our audio on CapCut. It doesn't matter. So we can deal with it by simply using this program. So how can we do this? Basically all you need is just to create a project and then just import the necessary videos and edit on our timeline. So as you can see, I've already did it. And after that, if we'll choose our video and go to video and basic, in this menu we can see these keyframes, so we can add them right up here. So there are different options to add the keyframe. All you need is just to click on this button, for example here. So after that, if we'll choose the next stage, the next position, for example maybe here, we can change everything and everything will be like moved, like in moving it, like not that fast changes, but like in move changes. So we can change, for example, the size, we can rotate our video, so we can even change the opacity in our video. So if we'll click on it right up here, we can change it right up like this. So after that, if we'll try to find what's happened, we can see that after adding keyframes, we can add the changes to our video. So this is a way basically how we can add our keyframes and make them work in our project. I hope guys this tutorial was helpful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and watch my other tutorials about this program. Goodbye.